श्रीमान् वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्किक केसरी वेदांताचार्य वर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि श्रीवासरंगपरकालमुनित्रयाप्तलक्ष्मात्मरक्षणयुगागमान्तम् आचार्य भक्ति परिपूतमनर्गशीलं गोपालदेशिकमुनिं गुरुमाश्रयामः. So today we will have the 106th slokam. As I was mentioning, ध्यायन् कृते यजन यज्ञै त्रेतायां द्वापरे अर्चयन् यदाप्नोति तदाप्नोति कलौ संकीर्त्य केशवम्. There is a sloka which says in Krita Yugam people attain the Sadgati by doing dhyanam, meditation. In Treta Yugam they do by yagam, yajnam. In Dwapara Yugam they do by archanam and Trivaradhanam and puja. And puja means it's not 10 minutes puja, continuous. And then in Kali Yugam it is Nama Sankirtanam. Now the same benefit that one gets in Krita Yugam by doing dhyanam is attained by doing Nama Sankirtanam in Kali Yuga. So that's what we are talking about. Kali Yugam, one can do Nama Sankirtanam and still get the same benefit. And Vishnu Sahasranamam is the ultimate Nama Sankirtanam as vouched by Vedavyasa, Bhishma Pitamaha, the Rishis, Rishibi Parigitanam. So the Rishis as well as Lord Krishna who was the witness to the everything. So it stands testimony to all these benefits. So let's get into the 106th sloka. Atmayoni swayam jato vaikana samagayanaha devaki nandana srishta kshitisha papanashanaha. Atmayoni, he is the material cause. If there is a pot, then what is the cause? That is the clay. The clay from which the pot is made. That is upadana karana. The material. And so who is the doer? The potter. Potter is the one who made. Here the potter also is the Lord. The material also is the Lord. There is an accessory like the wheel, the stick to make the pot. And the accessories also is the Lord. So he is the ultimate cause. Atmayoni. Jayan Swayam Jataha. He is the Lord of the universe. Swayam. Vaikanasaha. He is the one. Vaikanaha. He is the one who dug through the earth. Samagayanaha. He is the one who is praised by the Samaganam. Samavedam. Samaganam. It is a song. In Sri Vaikuntham, the Nityasuris and the Muktatmas, the Jivatmas there sing Samavedam and praise him. Devaki Nandanaha. He is now none other than one who was born to Devaki in this incarnation as Krishna Avataram. We are not for the all 106 slokams. We were enjoying up to the 988th Nama. We were talking about the Lord, Mahavishnu, Paramatma, Sriman Narayana. And now Bhishma says, don't think that he is somewhere else. He is none other than the one who is standing here, your cousin, born to Devaki, as in Krishna Avatar. He is that, the same Lord who has taken this avatar. His avataram is not like our avataram, made of the material body with the Triguna Sambandham. The Sattva, Rajas, Tamas Guna are not for Krishna avatarams or for any of his avatarams. Whether it is Sri Vaikuntham or Milky Way or the Milky Ocean or the Ramakrishna avataram, any avataram, or the Archavataram in our temples, in our Shaligramam, wherever, or the Antaryami avataram in the cavity of our hearts, he is unalloyed by any of the Prakriti Sambandham, the material world. He is no way connected but unbounded by karma. He is not bounded by karma like ours. He chooses his parents. He chooses his birth. He chooses his time, his duration. And he is the one who has come only for our sake. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya chadushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami. And there are still identification marks of his avatars in Ayodhya or in Mathura or Vrindavan, still in Setu, Dhanushkoti. Everywhere we see the semblances of where he was when he took the avatar. Then Srashta, he is the one who creates. Kshitishaha, he is the Lord of the earth. Papa Nashanaha, all our papams, all our vasanas get nullified, liquidated. Meditating upon whom? By performing dhyanam on him, by uttering nama sankirtanam on him. All our papams get burnt. Teenal dusagum sheppelo rembavai Andal says. Vayinal padi manattinal sindikka. By singing his names, all our papam get destroyed. So these are the one-liners. However, the meanings are so beautiful here. Atmayoni swayam jato vaikana samagayanaha devaki nandana shrashta kshitisha papanashanaha. Atmayoni. Sri Parasara Bhattar mentions that he mixes with his devotees easily. And he loves to be united with the Bhagavatas, with his Bhaktas. Swami Nammalvar mentions in Thiruvaimozhi 2.3, ரெண்டாம் பத்து மூன்றாம் திருவாய்மொழி, the first பாசுரம். ஊனில் வாழ் உயிரே நல்லை போ உன்னை பெற்று வானுளார் பெருமான் மதுசூதன் என்னம்மான் தானும் யானும் எல்லாம் தன்னுள்ளே கலந்தொழிந்தோம் தேனும் பாலும் கண்ணலும் தேனும் பாலும் நெய்யும் கண்ணலும் அமுதும் ஒத்தே. ஊனில் வாழ் உயிரே, in the shariram you are living, oh mind, you are so good because you have thought of him, you have made me think of him, because mind is the ultimate culprit for all our issues. That is the one which pulls us away into the material distractions, to take the phone, to look at the TV, to look at everything else except the Lord, except the good things. So, oh mind, you have done great thing by thinking of him. ஊனில் வாழ் உயிரே நல்லை போ உன்னை பெற்று. You have done great by having you as my mind. வானுளார் பெருமான் மதுசூதன் என்னம்மான். The Sri Vaikuntha Nathan has come into me, has united with me, has hugged me, has embraced me in my heart. And hence, தானும் யானும் எல்லாம் தன்னுள்ளே கலந்தொழிந்தோம். தானும் யானும் எல்லாம் தன்னுள்ளே கலந்தொழிந்தோம் தேனும் பாலும் நெய்யும் கண்ணலும் அமுதும் ஒத்தே. The honey, the milk, the ghee, the sugarcane juice, the nectar, the amridam, all mixed together is like he mixing with me. So we have become like Panchamritam. And that is what he says, he mixes with his devotees very easily. That is Atmayoni. Sri Parasara Bhattar says, mixing, one who mixes others with himself easily, like milk with sugar, milk with vellam, the jaggery. It is Bhagavan Shaushilya that is emphasized by Sri Parasara Bhattar through this nama. It is his elimai. It is being easily accessible. In fact, Taittiriya Upanishad, it says, Yo Veda Nihitam Guhayam Parame Vyoman So Osnute Sarvan Kama Ansaha Brahmana Vipaschiteti. He who knows Brahman hidden in the cavity of the heart enjoys in the supreme abode all auspicious Kalyana Gunams, the qualities of Brahman. Along with that, all knowing Brahman. So, ஊனில் வாழ் உயிரே நல்லை போ உன்னை பெற்று வானுளார் பெருமான் மதுசூதன் என்னம்மான் தானும் யானும் எல்லாம் தன்னுள்ளே கலந்தொழிந்தோம் தேனும் பாலும் நெய்யும் கண்ணலும் அமுதும் ஒத்தே. Even though you are present in this physical body of flesh and the like mind, all filthy mind. You have served me right in the direction of delivering to me to the Lord. What I have enjoyed is what Nitya Suris enjoyed in Sri Vaikuntham. Bhagavan has subdued me even when I was in a mood to leave him. He has made me a happy servant of his, and he has become one with me, united with me. It's like honey mixing with the milk, mixing with sugar, mixing with ghee, mixing with nectar, all these things. Atmayoni. Sri Sankaracharya mentions Atmayoni means he is the material cause of the universe and no other. Therefore, he is called Atmayoni. Swayam Jataha, he who is self-born. Swayam Jayate Ajanishta iti va Swayam Jataha. He who is self-born. He is not created by anyone else. That is why he is self-born. See, Parasara Bhattar Anubhava means he takes his avatarams on his own accord, on his own will, without waiting for those. For people who are in difficulty, he immediately comes to rescue. And he takes the incarnation out of his concern for the protection of the good, the destruction of the evil, the preservation of the dharma, paritranaya sadhuna, vinasaya chadushkritam, dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami. He himself takes birth out of his own accord. His main concern is the protection of the Jivatma, because we are all his children. Kakkum Yelvinan Kanna Peruman, Nammalvar says. He takes avatarams for this purpose as and when necessary, because of his own sankalpam. Uyiralippan Yendindra Yonimai Pirandai Imayor Talaiva. You took birth voluntarily in order to liberate us from the burden of samsara. Imayor Talaiva. Even in Gita, 3rd chapter, 22nd slokam, Krishna says, Name Partha Asti Kartavyam Trishu Lokeshu Kinchana Nanavaptam Avaptavyam Varta Yevacha Karmani. For me, Arjuna, there is nothing in this world which ought to be done, which should be done, nor there is anything acquired for me. Yet I go on working, I go on taking birth for the protection of the Jivatma. For removing the bondage of several other women like Sita Pirati. Sita Pirati voluntarily lived for 10 months in the prison of Ravana. And it is for removing our bondage. Lord Krishna voluntarily chose to be born in the prison of Kamsa. For the divine couple, all these voluntary sufferings are only for removing our suffering. Bhagavan still continues to work for the protection of the world, even though there is nothing for him to do. Personally, he doesn't achieve anything by working. Not like us. Karmana avaptavyam na kinchid api asti. Atapi lokarakshyaya karmani eva vartate. Swami Ramanuja says. Sri Shankaracharya mentions that Bhagavan is the material cause of the universe. He continues the same, that he is the creator. He is the instrumental cause, he is the material cause, and he is the intelligent cause. So he is the one who is the creator. Vaikanaha. He who uproots the evils of the world. Vaikanaha. So, Parasara Bhattar again says, one who uproots the misery of his devotees. One who removes the sufferings of his devotees. Bhagavan proceeds to uproot the sorrows of the world. In particular, the sorrow of our continuous birth and death he removes. So, here it says, பொய்நின்ற ஞானமும் பொல்லா ஒழுக்கும் அழுக்கு உடம்பும் இன்னின்ற நீர்மை இனியாம் உறவாமை உயிரளிப்பான் எண்ணின்ற யோனியுமாய் பிறந்தாய் இமையோர் தலைவா மெய்நின்று கேட்டருளாய் அடியேன் செய்யும் விண்ணப்பமே. நம்மாழ்வார் சேர் இன் திருவிருத்தம். O Lord of Devas, இமையோர் தலைவா, you take your birth among us out of your own free will, out of your sankalpa, in order to protect us. We live with a false and incomplete knowledge, bad conduct, full of karma, papam, impure body, அழுக்கு உடம்பு, எச்சில் வாய், பொய் நின்ற ஞானம், and mind which is filthy, stuck deep in the ocean of samsara. You alone can save us from this deep misery. Please bless us and listen to our request, listen to our prayer and save us. Sri Shankaracharya mentions that it is to incarnate the significance of the Nama, the Varaha Avatar. It is well known that Varaha is the one who dug up the earth and killed Hiranyaksha, an asura who lived in the netherworld, Hiranyaksha. And then we have Samaghayanaha. He before whom all the Sama hymns, Sama Vedam was sung. Etat Samaghayan naste ha o ha o ha o ahamannam 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 ahamannado o ahamannado o ahamannada. So etat Samaghayan naste, one who has the muktas, the released souls, and Nitya Suris sing Samavedam in front of him. So this is what is talked about in Samaghayana. Vedanam Samavedosmi, Devanam Asmi Vasavaha, Indriyanam Manaschasmi, Bhutanam Asmi Chetana. Swami Lord Krishna mentions in 10th chapter 22nd sloka, among the 4 Vedas, I am the Samavedam. Samavedam is given special emphasis by Lord Krishna. Of the Vedas, I am the Samaveda. Of Devatas, I am Indra. Of sense organs, I am the Manas. Of living beings, I am the Jivatma. I am the Chetana. I am the consciousness. Means I am the indweller in the Jivatma. Sri Shankaracharya mentions one who sings the Samagana. Samani Gayanti iti Samaghayanaha. Saman means Krishnan himself. Then we have Devaki Nandanaha. So far here we need to say that there was an Acharya by name Pillai Lokacharya, 30-40 years older than Swami Vedanta Desika, after Ramanuja, in the same Sri Vaishnava Guru Parampara. He was telling his Shishyas that you should perform Sharanagati to attain moksha. And they asked, who is the person to whom we need to perform Sharanagati? Is it Sri Vaikuntham, or is it Milky Ocean, or is it Avataram, Ramakrishna Avataram? Who? He mentions that here, Tirukkayile Yendina Divya Aayudangalum, Vaitha Anjalendra Kayyum, Kavitha Mudiyum Mukamum Muruvalum, Asana Padmathile Alundina Tiruvadigalum, Irukkum Namperumale Namakku Tanjam. You don't have to go anywhere. Namperumal, Sri Vaikuntham, the Sri Ranganathan. Look at his Utsava Murti. He has the Divya Ayudangal, the Chanka Chakram in his hand. The Chakram mentions about his Shakti to do whatever that is possible. He has got the power, Shakti. Jnanam, he has got the Jnanam with the Shankar. He can bless us with the Jnanam, he can bless us with the power to remove all our suffering. So he is Swami. And then Kavitha Mudi, look at his Kridam, he is Sarveshwaran, Devadi Devan. He can do anything and everything that he wills. Kavitha Mudiyum. So, but don't get carried away because he is so big, so grand, Sarveshwaran. Look at his divine face, Mukhamum Muruvalum. He is so easily accessible. He smiles at us. He doesn't bother about our papams, our dirt, our mind, our so many karmic diseases, the so many papams that we have committed for very many births. He has got such a vatsalyam, like a mother towards his baby, like a cow towards the calf. He has got vatsalyam. So the moment you enter into his sannidhi, he welcomes you with a smile, with an innocent, welcoming smile. He asks you. He never questions why you never came so long. He welcomes you that now that you have come into my arms. Kavitha Mudiyum Mukamum Muruvalum and Asana Padmathile Alundina Tiruvadigalum. Look at his lotus feet. We can simply hold on to the feet. He would never kick us away from it with his leg. So he is the Namperumal. Pillai Lokacharya mentioned to his Sishyas, you can perform Sharanagati to him. And here, Same thing applicable here. When Yudhishthira asked him, you have said up to 988 namas about Sri Vaikunthanathan, about the Lord, the Avatarams, everything, Hayagriva, so many namas you have mentioned. And now, who is that? Where is that Lord? Where is that Vishnu? He says, Devaki Nandanaha, the source of joy to Devaki, the Devaki's son, who is there in front of us. Vishnu Sahasranama has been revealed to Yudhishthira by Bhishma in the presence of Krishna. See, Parasara Bhatta says, Bhishma is clarifying to Yudhishthira that this Nama have been revealed all along are not about some deity who is beyond reach. He is there in front of you, sitting next to you, standing next to you. Sa yesha pratungi rakshaha sambandite janardhana. Sri Parasara Bhatta refers to Mahabharata slokam. Yesha bhutam bhavishyascha bhavascha Bharatarishapa. O best of Bharata, Janardhana, the broad and long-eyed Lord, he is your cousin. He is all things in the past, the present and the future. See, Shankaracharya also mentions the same thing from Mahabharata. All the luminaries in the world, the three worlds themselves, the protectors of the world, by guarding the quarters, the three Vedas, the three sacred Agni, the 5 oblations, are all nothing but the son of Devaki, Krishna. Adi Shankara mentions. Lord Krishna, the joy of Devaki, appeared as a child of the divine Devaki, just like the moon appearing from the eastern direction. So, the Lord Krishna is none other than Sriman Narayana, who has taken this avatar. So, when you are that, the Upanishad says, when a direct meaning of an expression is sufficient. So here it says, you are, he is that Narayana. Then we have Srashta, he is the creator. Sri Shankaracharya mentioned, he is the creator of all worlds. Sri Parasara Bhatta says, again, tells that Devaki Nandana, Sri Krishna, is none other than the Paravasudeva, the creator. One can see Bhagavan Saulabhyam is easily being accessible. His Shaushilyam is easily can be held on to. He is reflected through these series of namas. Even though he is the Sarveshwar, even though he is the creator, he is just our Krishna. He is the Kshitishaha. He is the Lord of the earth. So he is the Lord of our universe. Parasara Bhatta says, not just the earth, or Andaranda Bahirandam, the multiple universes. Even our scientists say there are very many universes like ours. There are very many galaxies like ours. Now they find out. Our Purvacharyas have already found that there are millions of such universes. So Bhagavan is particularly singled out as the Lord of the universe. Sri Parasara Bhatta said there is generally more suffering in the earth than in other worlds such as Devalokam. And Bhagavan takes incarnations here to relieve our sufferings. And so Namalvar also mentions that Bhagavan is the Lord of the Devas. He is more attached to Alvar in this world more because Alvar is in a helpless situation than the Devas. Ishan வானவர்க்கு என்பன் என்றால் அது தேசமோ திருவேங்கடத்தானுக்கு நீசனேன் நிறைவு ஒன்றுமிலேன் என்கண் பாசம் வைத்த பரஞ்சுடர் ஜோதிக்கே. He may be the Lord of the Devas, but he is the one who has kept pasam on me because I am the one who needs him more than them. And then we have Papa Nashanaha. He is the destroyer of papams. Papam nashayati iti Papa Nashanaha. So Parasara Bhatta again mentioned that by meditating on the Bhagavan Leelas, by meditating on Bhagavan Kalyana Gunams like Vatsalyam, like Swami, like Saushilyam, Shaulabhyam, he is a Sulaban. All our papam in our mind are removed. By just saying, Yomam Nama Sakashena Stuti Bichati Pandava, Soham Ekena Slokena Stutayavana Samshayaha. One slokam is enough for me to be pleased, and I would get you rid of all our papams. Bhagavan steals the feeling of stealth itself from the mind of the devotee. the stealing of our papams. He is the stealer, he is the robber of our papams. Just like he steals butter, he steals our papams. So he is ullam kavar kalvan. So, and then here we says, Yamana, yen kula deivame, ennudai nayagane, nin ulle naai petra nanmai uleginil aar peruvar. நம்மன் போலே வீட்டு அமுக்கும் நாட்டில் உள்ள பாவமெல்லாம் சும்மனாதே கைவிட்டோடி தூர்கள் பாய்ந்தனவே. எம்மனா, என் குலதெய்வமே, my Lord, how can I ever describe the great benefit that I get from you because of your grace, because of your daya? All the papams that normally push me down mercilessly to the ground like demons, like ghosts, all that have simply left me effortlessly, quietly, like the prisoners that escape without making any noise, or they hide in the bushes. They are all gone because you are with me. Janma karma cha me divyam evam yotti tattvataha tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti mameti so Arjuna. 4th chapter 9th slokam Krishna says, he who knows in truth my divine janma, my divine birth and my divine leelas, actions, they will not get rebirth after this body. Those who realize my divine janma, my divine leelas, they will not attain any more birth. They will come to me, O Arjuna. If we meditate on his avatara ragasyam, we will not be born again. If we meditate on his drinking his mother's milk in his birth, we will not be born to our drink mother's milk anymore. If we enjoy the leela of stealing butter and curd, our papams will be stolen by him. If we meditate on his being bound by ropes, we will never be bound by samsara anymore. That's the Vyakhyanam. Shankaracharya mentioned, he who destroys the papam of those who love him, who meditate on him, who remember him, who sing praise of him, who recite Nama Sankirtanam. He gives support from a work titled Vriddashataptapa. So here he says, whatever sins are removed by fasting for a fortnight are destroyed by performing 100 pranayamams. Whatever sins are destroyed by 1000 pranayamams are removed in a fraction of a second by meditating on Hari. Whatever papam are removed by fasting for 1 fortnight are destroyed by performing 100 pranayamams, are destroyed by 1000 pranayamams. Whatever are all removed in a fraction of a second by meditating on Hari. Adi Shankara quotes this particular scripture. Adiyan, Dhanyosmi, Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline, Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha.